Hey there everybody, it's Shifan29 here, back with another brand new video, and today we're playing Pacybits, a pretty popular game. And I did promise in my brother's video that I'll do a big pack opening, but because I didn't reach 10 likes, then I'm not gonna do that big pack opening, but kind of a small one. First of all, we have 28 of these, and 1 Elite Plus pack, 5 81 plus packs, 1 premium gold, 2 silver, and 2 gold. So I'll put some music on, open the packs, and maybe at the end even like do a draft or two. So yeah.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you. You spent the weekend getting even, ooh. We spent the late nights making things right between us. But now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and let me close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. I spent last night on the last flight to you. We took a whole day up, trying to get way up. Ooh. We spent the daylight trying to make things right between us. And now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and let me go. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last time. Yeah. Maybe I know that I'm drunk. Maybe I know you're the one. Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.
Not too long ago, I was dancing for dollars. No, it's really real if I let you meet my mama. You don't want a girl like me, I'm too crazy. But every other girl you meet is too gazy. I'm sure them other girls were nice enough, but you need someone to spice it up. So who you gonna call? Cardi, Cardi. Come and rev it up like a Harley, Harley. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? I'm coming to you now doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. I don't.
So guys, back then I found like so many good things, I couldn't even believe myself. So we'll get this free special pack over here real quick, and let's see what we get out of this one. Hopefully we get something good, even though I don't really care anymore if I get something crap or something good, because you guys saw that, right? 1 Dybala and 1 flippin' Tots, which was, I think it was the other Hazard's brother. Come on, this thing. Okay, I'll see you guys if this thing actually works. Guys, that thing was clearly not working. That was a scam. It literally just wanted me to click that. So now I'll just show you guys Dybala and Hazard. One of my friends found Neymar last time that I opened packs with my friends. Mbappe, Buffon, yeah, and so on. And now just do some matches, draft and leave.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Guys, we've gotta win this. Gotta win this.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, the things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and
Let's
laugh,
go.
but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those
Now,
were the days
we will just open those 3 packs and then leave it here.
See you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we.
So guys, that was all for today, and if you guys liked the video, then make sure you like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.